Howdy, folks. Sorry to hear about your lost or broken Sony remote control. My name is Chuck, and this is electronicadventure.com. I'm here to help you get a new one. It's really quite simple. All you have to do is go right down below this video, click on that link, and it's going to take you right to an order page. And folks, if you look behind me, you're going to notice that there is over 300,000 brand new original remotes in our warehouse, and that means when you order your Sony remote or any other brand remote, it's going to ship out to you the same or next business day, and that's 99% of the time. Plus, folks, we have a great promotion running right now. When you get to the end of the order form, it's going to say enter coupon code, and you just put in remote 5, and you're going to get $5 saving off your order. Just that simple. Plus, folks, guess what? We've designed this so that you can shop with 100% confidence. That's because we have a return policy that goes like this. For 30 days, for any reason, you return your remote control and you will get 100% of your money back, no questions asked, no hassle, and that's a nice, easy return policy so that you can work with us and have confidence with us. Folks, it's been pretty easy. You just go right down there, get on that link, click on it, and it's going to take you right to the order page. You can have your remote shipped out today or the next business day, or you can call the 800 number you see up on the screen and speak with one of our friendly operators. And I just want to say thank you so much for spending some time with me, and also I want to say thank you so much for shopping with electronicadventure.com.